Welcome back to Guide Coachings, the go-to channel for all the things data-driven. I'm your host Mozam Ali. Welcome to Python data types exploration. Today we are diving into three foundational data types: sets, boolean, and list. And we will also be seeing about dictionaries. Whether you are a new to Python or looking to brush up your skills, stick around as we demystify these essential concepts and unlock the potential of your Python code. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Why? Because here we don't just analyze data, we transform it into actionable insights together. By subscribing, you are not just joining you're just not keeping up with the latest insights, you are joining a family passionate about leveraging data for success. Now, speaking of success, I have something truly exciting to share with you. Many of you have been asking for more immersive learning experience, and guess what? Your wish is our command. I'm thrilled to announce our exclusive 3 months online course for aspiring data analyst. Yep, you heard it right. In this comprehensive program, we will equip you with the skills needed to navigate the data landscape like a pro. For understanding the fundamentals to mastering advanced analytics techniques, we have got it all covered. First two demo classes are absolutely free. You can join the classes, live classes on Saturdays and Sundays between 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. So, if you are serious about taking your data game to the next level, check out the link in the description for more details and secure your spot today. Seats are limited, and trust me, you don't want to miss this opportunity. See you in the classes. Alrighty then, let's start with the second part of the tutorial, where we have already discussed about the data types, few data types such as string, integer, float, and then we have also discussed about list and tuple. We are going to see about a dictionary and sets and boolean. We'll see range later in the coming tutorials, because this is related to something else which I don't want to cover it right now. So we will be talking about dictionary, sets, and boolean. So first of all, we will start with the easy one, that is sets, how sets are used and why sets are so important. So we will directly go to our Jupyter notebook, we will click on the launch button and we will open it. Once we open it, something will open like this. Okay, so we will go here new and we will click on the new notebook. Okay, so here what I will do, I'll create a new notebook. Here I have opened it, it is loading. So meanwhile, what I will do, I have kept all my data ready, so I will just copy it and paste it over there, so that it will be easy and faster for us to explore. Okay, so it is taking time, that is the reason, guys, I just create it and I keep it ready. So see here, I have created a set. Now set is whatever data you are keeping inside those curly brackets is going to be considered as set, and you need to assign a variable to it so that you can use that variable, you can use the same data again and again with the reference to that particular variable. Okay, now if I am going to print it, I will be getting the values. So you see there is a difference between list and there's a difference between tuple. Okay, list is mutable and tuples are immutable. Then again, we had, whenever we are creating a list, we are using square brackets. Whenever we are creating a tuple, we are using angular brackets. Then whenever we are creating a set, we will be using curly brackets. So this is the differentiating point which you need to pay attention and keep in mind. So if I execute it, you observe here it is giving me the result now, but here I have four inputs. Here it is giving me 3 inputs only. Why? Because sets does not allow duplicate. That is the basic, that is the most important advantage of set. So in a set, like a set of books, so in a set of books, nothing is going to be repeated. So if I am going to create a set of students, that means I am going to have a unique student and obviously we don't have a duplicate student. So it is based on the realistic things, where you don't have a replica or you don't have a copy of it. So that is at that place we will be using set. Okay, then we will be printing it. So if we are going to add something over here, such as, so if I just copy this, and I just try to add something over here, dot add, and then if I put here 30, or I will put as 10. Okay, so now if you see, it is giving me the 10 is added. But if I add 30 one more time, so see, 30 is added, so it is going to change? No, it is not going to change. That is the main difference of set. Okay, now we will have some more explanation, more queries on it, but we will be starting with the simple things first, and then we'll slowly and gradually move towards complexity. So now this is done, we are done with the sets. Now we will be talking about decision, that is Boolean type. So what I will do, I will go to the next line. I will write in a Boolean, when you have a decision to make, when you have either a condition, and when you want to decide between two situations, that either this will happen or this will happen, either this will be true or this will be true. So at that time, what we are going to use, we are going to use Boolean values. So if I create Boolean is equals to, if I give true, okay, true, see the color of the true, it is green. So that means whenever we are printing Boolean, it is going to give the value of true as true, sorry, Boolean, so it is going to give me the value as true. Now if I am going to add one more condition, that is, we have learnt about AND gate, that is AND and OR. So if I am using here AND false, so what will be the result? Come on, pause the video and tell me the result. So here the result will be false. See, now if I am going to change it, I'll just copy this and I'll paste it, and if I change this true to false, now again tell me the result, what it will be. It will be going to again false. Okay, so I'll control shift. This is how the conditional operator will work, that is AND operator. Okay, now on the similar line we have OR as well. Okay, so what I will do, I will just copy these two things, I'll paste it over here. Okay, I will keep this as OR and OR. Okay, now if I execute this, false, so this Boolean will give me false value. If I change, if I comment this, so commenting is hash, putting hash, and then I will execute it, so it is giving me true. Why it is giving me true over here? Because true plus false, 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. So that is the simplest logic my teachers had taught me. So I am giving you the secret of remembering the and or conditions whenever you are facing what will be the result. So when you have true and false, so and the conjunction is and, at that time the 1 into 1 multiplied by 0, it will be always 0. So consider true as 1 and false as 0. So now here 1 plus 0, so it will be 1. Now I am commenting this. Okay, so now I am commenting this and I am checking this. I will also comment this. So answer of this will be false. Why? Because 1 multiplied by 0 and it will be 0, that is false. That is how your Boolean will work. Now moving on to our next thing, that is list. Okay, so in a list is a very dynamic thing, okay, which you can create a list of objects, list of variables, list of students, list of marks, and you can create list of dictionary. I think we have discussed about dictionary, how dictionary works, but I will give you a quick idea how dictionary looks like and how you can use it. So dictionary is nothing but key value pair, where we have a key and a value. So everything which will be over here is in this format like this, where it will start with the curly brackets, then you have one value, one key, and then corresponds to that you have a value, that is Peter. Okay, this is how you have, and then you have his marks. Okay, marks we have, then we have semicolon, then we will give as 30. Okay, and then we have his age, maybe we can take his age. Okay, so this is how his age is, and we will say Peter is Peter is 40 years old. Now this is how it is done. Now if I execute it, if I execute it, nothing is going to print because I have not printed anything. So if I print it now, if I print dictionary, will it going to present? Yes, it is going to give me all the key value pairs. But if I want a specific value from here, if I want to get his marks, what are the marks he has received, so I'll put in double quotes marks. Okay, marks. Yeah, marks. Okay, so this is how I will put it over here, and then I will close my square bracket, and then I will shift it, so I will be getting 30. If I want to get his age, I'll just simply copy this and I'll paste it over here, and I will execute it, so I'll get his age. That is how your dictionary works. So it holds key value pair. Now we were talking about the list. Okay, so we can create a list of tuples, we can create a list of sets, we can create a list of key value pairs. That is your dictionary. So that is the combination I have created over here. Now if I execute this, I will not be getting anything. Why? Because tuple is not defined. Okay, so here I can I have added it over here, and what I will do, this is a list, so I will just try to keep it like this, and I will do it. Okay, so this tuple, I think I need to remove this. Okay, so I will remove it, and I have created like this. So this is how I have created. Now if I want to get the list out of it, I can get it as I will, if I want to get the items, I will simply write print, and then I will print it over here, and then I will give the index whatever values I want to get. So if I want to get the key value pairs, I will give 0 and 1, that is the index given. So 0th index I have list, and on the first index I have key value pair. So I will give first as a key value pair, so it will give me key and value as a result. Okay, now if I want to get only value, so what I will do, I will put it over here, and I will give as key, and then I will close it. Okay, and then I will execute, so I'll get the value. Okay, this is how I can use key value pair. Now moving on to our next thing, that is list of candidates. Okay, so this is how I have created two lists. Okay, I will just paste it over here. So this is a list of map, it is a list of map. Okay, understand, we have used map. I have created a map over here, and I have used that map inside a list. I have created a list of maps. Okay, sorry, dictionary. So this is my key, this is my value, this is my key, and this is again my value. So key value pairs are there. Okay, and now I am saving, I have saved it now. So now if I want to get any particular details of a particular candidate, so these details are candidate details are over here: roll number, his first name, last name. Then I have marks list in key value pair, where roll number I have, and English marks I have Marathi and Hindi marks over here. Now if I want to combine it, I have created, see, this is my key and this is my value. These both are my values. Now I am using this list. This is my list of uh, map, and this is again list of map, that is list of my dictionary and list of dictionary, and then these two lists I am using as key value pair into my third dictionary, which I have created as class dictionary. Okay, so candidates and marks, and I add it to my dictionary. Okay, see this. If you understand this part, writing this part will be piece of cake for you. How? I will tell you. See, I have created a now I have created a dictionary using this and this. Okay, so now if I want to get the output of class dictionary, that is output of this, so it will give me both these two records. Okay, so if I execute this, shift enter, it is giving me all the records, but I don't want all the records. I want the English marks record of first student. Okay, the first student is, who's the first student? So for here roll number is 1 and first name is Russell. So I want Russell's marks in English, Hindi, Marathi. So how I will get? I will put student name, that is this student name, then 0th index. If I put like this only, I will show you first. If I put like this, I will get the details of all the students name, but I don't want the name of all the students, I want the 0th student details. Okay, so I will put a 0 over here. Once I put a 0, I will get roll number, first name Russell, and this are the details. Now I want the other values as well, that is this candidate list. So what I will do, I will put over here, I will put a comma over here, and I will put a class dictionary over here. Okay, so this will going to give me the marks list of 0th element. Okay, so now it will give me the roll number first, English 50, 40, 30, 70, whatever the details are over there. It will going to give me the details of that particular student. Okay, that is how we can do it, that is how we can achieve it. Okay, I think I have covered this much. Okay, now there's a bonus tip for you guys. If you know are seeing this, like we have shortcuts over here as well. Okay, so whenever you are using your Anaconda Jupyter notebook, there are multiple shortcuts available over there. So you can, if you want to execute your code, you will press shift plus enter, then you will get the output. If you want to give a new line, if you want to go to the new line, you can click on alter and then you can click on enter, and it will give you the details. In help there are more shortcuts available, so I'll show you quickly how it is going to look like. So here, if you go on in the help section and show keyboard shortcuts, control shift H, once you click on that, it will give you the list of the shortcuts available over here. Now again, a bonus tip, if you, this is a single line comment which we have seen. If you want to comment it, if I want to comment a huge text, what I will do, I will put 3 double inverted commas, and then I will put the 3 double inverted commas at the end. So see the change of the color, it is coming in the red color, this is in the normal color. So that is the difference. You can comment out the code and you can execute whatever you want to execute. Okay, so this is how you can do it, and this is going to be very helpful for you to do certain things. Okay, you guys now know what is going to be the next. So that's all for today, guys. If you have any questions, if you like the video, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you have any questions, any queries, or any doubts regarding the topic which I have covered today, you can write me a comment and we will be discussing it into our next session. That's all. Thank you.